Welcome back to Overheat, Hyundai Motorhome 2026. The outside design is both functional and futuristic. Aerodynamic and stylish, the RV will have streamlined lines that draw inspiration from Hyundai's most recent design language. Adaptable LED lighting, full LED technology with adaptable characteristics will be used in the headlights and taillights. Panoramic windows, to optimize the view outside. Large windows and even some glass roof panels will be essential components. Automatic sliding doors. An automatic sliding system is probably going to be used for the main entrance. Smart external storage. The design will cleverly incorporate external storage areas. Interior. Extremely sophisticated and comfortable. Sleeping area. A fixed bed or a bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress that can be transformed from a sitting area. Dining and lounging area, expandable or foldable table, and cozy sofa. Completely furnished kitchen, with energy-efficient refrigerator freezer, microwave, stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, and lots of storage space. Premium and environmentally friendly materials, use of long-lasting, high-quality materials. Adaptive interior lighting, and LED lighting system that can be adjusted to provide gentle lighting for relaxing or strong lighting for cooking. A plug-in hybrid PHEV Powertrain combines the short-range electric driving capacity with the fuel economy of a gasoline engine. Full electric Powertrain, as a future development or for shorter travels, Hyundai might provide an EV version. Effective diesel engine, a very potent and effective diesel engine might still be available. Smooth automatic transmission, a state-of-the-art automatic transmission that facilitates efficient and seamless gear changes. Drivetrain, equipped with efficiency-enhancing front-wheel drive FWD or optional all-wheel drive AWD for increased grip and stability on a range of road conditions. Strong body structure, to safeguard passengers. The body is built with reinforced frames and crumple zones.